Okurigira habe byamagara abantu abarukuhigana barukuchebeza omuswija mu district ya Chegegwa nkagana munana nibashangwa bagwine
omuswija mu region ene ya Rwenzori unde ya Toro Chegegwa niye cyina abantu abayino omuswija mwingi muno buli bantu 10 abantu nkagana munana buli bantu 10 abayino abakura abayino omuru abantu nkagana munana bakebera mbasanga abayino omuswija gwemibu
Enshongeji ejemeseriza b'ekitongore cha Red Cross hamwe na UNICEF okubuganaho n'abanyamakuru hamwe n'abebyamagara okureba okuba kubasa kurwanisa ekizibu eki
hatahinda kugambira muri Chegegwa twinemu ekirwe cha mpox cyenye yongera kujanjara erizo already twakiza barwire 25 18 bakizire abandi mukaga bakina bajanjabwa
buri tukaba twine Rift Valley fever byanerugamo na haija monkeypox obwebere cyaroho haija Ebola so buli kaire district nebere mu kuyiruka
okurigerera habe byamagara okubarwaho kwendwara z'ekikankeki kiteganise emiturire y'abantu
mu district ya Chegegwa abantu abakuzarwamu Seruriza kuruga mu kubara abantu mwaka guhoye nukoleka ngo abantu 8 abuli bantu 10 nibafa batakakize myaka 5.
As journalists, we need to commit ourselves. Whenever you're in a microphone, you are playing music, you're a DJ, you are doing your presentation, programming, use the department. After I was looking at the strategies that we can use to reach out to the people, we have drama series.
If these people can get information from all corners, like I said earlier, you people are very strong people. People understand you, people trust in you, they believe in you, they even take your message wholeheartedly.
Obutagendera hangenderwaho z'abashaho emirire mibi abantu kweragurra obutanaba mu ngaro obutafayo hamwe n'ebindi byinji nizimwe hanshonge zirukongera endwara mu Chegegwa okurigira abashaho amakuraga gashakwa Philip Murangira